सर्वांचे नमस्कार. GSB खाणाचे व्हिडिओज आम्ही अपलोड करताय इंग्लिशांतूय कोंकणींतूय. आता 70 व्हिडिओज गेला नस ते सगळं तुम्ही व्ह्यू कोण सपोर्ट करशाक आमकां छान खुशी आसा. आनी आमचे व्हिडिओज सगळं तुम्ही छान सपोर्ट चड सपोर्ट करून व्हिडिओज लाईक कराय, शेअर कराय आणि सबस्क्राईब कराय.
Godsani Maskat, a special video for today's Children's Day. This is a very traditional amchi dish of GSBs from the Kochi side. A quickly made snack, this can be had at all times. Being sweet, this is a great hit with children and elders alike. And when liberally done in ghee, its flavor and aroma has to be seen to be believed. For Maskat, I am taking 1 cup of wheat flour or atta. Add 3/4 cup of grated coconut. Three-fourths cup grated jaggery. Add more if you like it very sweet. Add 2 ripe yellow bananas or 1 ripe green one. Add 2 cardamoms powdered and a pinch of salt. Mash the bananas and mix all the ingredients. Add nearly 1 cup of water and mix to a thick batter of this consistency. Heat a dosa tawa and grease it. Keeping flame low, spoon out a little of the dough and spread it. You can use a spoon or just carefully spread with your hands evenly and a little thick. Add ghee liberally. Cover to cook. After a few minutes, flip it over. You can keep it soft or roast till crisp according to your taste. You can also make them larger and spread with your spatula evenly like this. Cover and cook. Flip and plate it when done. Garnish with coconut or banana pieces. Serve this to your hungry child and see it being finished up quickly. So do try this out now. For more details, refer to our website kkaj.in.